Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. Right now I'm at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in the North Tower. Got a beautiful room here. I'm going to head downstairs. It's a Thursday and from what I understand, Thursday is all-you-can-eat seafood buffet. Brand new here at the Hard Rock. It's only on Thursdays from 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock. And it's that time of the week right now. It's Thursday and it's between 4 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So gonna head downstairs to this all-you-can-eat seafood buffet. Will it be good? I have no idea. Let's go downstairs and check it out, shall we? The line here is an hour and a half to 2 hours. Well, I finally got my seat. It was about a little over 2 hours, so I'm going to do my usual flyby on the buffet and see what's here, and then we'll get this whole thing started. So we'll start off down this end where they have a whole bunch of soups. There's going to be a lot of food here. I'm not going to eat, folks. I'm here for the seafood. But on top of the seafood, it looks like they have their regular buffet stuff as well. But that's not why I'm here today. I'm here for the seafood, and I'm going to do a flyby right now and see what they got to offer. They have two big crab leg stations here, one on each side of the room, and I gotta tell you, every table that I'm passing, people are eating these crab legs, so I'm definitely gonna hit up that later. Here we have some halibut with tomato spinach ragu, crab cakes, fried flounder, and beer battered cod. What looks like coffee urns are actually everywhere in this buffet, and they actually dispense warm butter. Here we have some baked salmon with cream sauce, mussels marinara, and butter poached monkfish. Looks like they're still putting out their Asian section. We have vegetable fried rice, vegetable lo mein, General Tso chicken, shrimp, broccoli, and white rice. As much as I like Asian food, I'm gonna pass on it tonight. Here we have some salt and pepper shrimp, which they say is spicy. We have Old Bay shrimp and barbecue shrimp. Here we have the fried section. We have French fries, fried chicken. Hey, how'd that get in here? Crab ragoon, fried calamari, and fried coconut shrimp. Here's another carving station. This one has baked ham and roasted chicken, some mac and cheese, barbecue sauce, and brown gravy. And the second crab leg station, these things were really popular. This is like a deli salad kind of area, you know, stuff made with mayonnaise. Some salad greens and some salad fixins. We all know nothing says seafood like nachos and nacho fake cheese. Some taco shell bowls and some taco fixings. Clams on a half shell, some oysters, and some peel and eat shrimp. Regular and spicy. I think we'll start with these. Last time I did a buffet video, someone said, you never bring your plate to the food, and I said, I would if I could, but remember, one hand's holding the ladle, another hand's holding the camera. It would be amazing and a miracle if I could bring the plate to the food. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a quick shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, the Flamingo Habitat, and Johnny Rockets Burger. Congratulations, Robert. So for starters here, I have a couple of clams on a half shell, I have one oyster, I have some peel and eat shrimp, both regular and spicy. Starting off light here, if I like anything, I'll go back for more. This is all shellfish, and it's ice cold as it should be, and the clams and oyster were very sweet. Everything was really good on this plate. Let's go get some of those crab legs, shall we? I gotta tell you guys, there's no secret why this is on everyone's plate here. This is definitely the star of the buffet. Once you get past the shell, which is not that hard, you'll find the meat sweet, juicy, tender, and when you dip it in that drawn butter, it's just heaven. In case you're wondering, I got my usual unsweetened iced tea with lemon. They do serve alcohol here. It does cost extra. And to make life a little easier, they give you a nutcracker. Ow! Did you notice? This is my second plate. Okay, so we started off with the peel and eat shrimp, both regular and spicy. Now we're heading towards the shrimp specialties, which is salt and pepper shrimp, Old Bay shrimp, which has potatoes and corn and some Old Bay spice, as well as barbecue shrimp. I snuck a roll on my plate just to sop up all this wonderful juice. Oh, I think I'm in heaven. All three versions of shrimp here are delicious. So I had a little camera issue at the fry station, so I'm going to tell you what I picked up. I picked up some crab ragoons, I got some calamari, some hors d'oeuvre sized crab cakes, I have a breaded flounder fillet, and some coconut shrimp, as well as some mac and cheese. I know the mac and cheese doesn't belong on this plate, but it really doesn't belong on any plate that I've brought over to the table so far. So this is my one chance for this mac and cheese. It's some of the greatest mac and cheese any buffet ever had. And even tonight, it's really good mac and cheese. And again, as with the previous plates, everything here is really good. And even the calamari, which I did not expect to be good. Calamari is kind of funny. Usually when you order it, it's like rubber bands because it's overcooked. But I expected that here at a buffet, but these were really tender. The mac and cheese, always good here at the Harvest Buffet at Hard Rock. Did somebody say dessert? I totally forgot the dessert station during my flyby, but I'll do a flyby of the dessert station right now. They have bread pudding in apple cobbler, as well as some of these assorted custards and tiramisu, Italian pastries including cannoli and eclairs, as well as some cheesecakes, little cheesecakes, and some things that I have no idea what they are, so I'm just going to put them on my plate and surprise myself. And for those of you who are diabetic, they also have sugar-free desserts here as well. The soft serve comes in chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and banana, so you can kind of make your own improvised banana split. And yes, of course, there's toppings for the frozen custard as well. So I picked out an eclair, a chocolate mousse, a mini cheesecake, as well as a flower pot. I have no idea what was inside of it, but once I took a big bite, I realized it was filled with dirt. I guess the joke was on us. By the way, just kidding, that cute little flower pot was filled with chocolate pudding. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And that's pretty much it for the Seafood Harvest Buffet here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Atlantic City. If you like seafood and you're here on a Thursday night between 4 o'clock and 9 o'clock, I definitely recommend it. $60 with all the fees and stuff, plus you have to leave a gratuity, of course. Heads up, if you like a lobster, you can get a whole lobster for another $30, bringing the tab up to $90. Not a big deal for me. I'm not a huge lobster fan, certainly wouldn't spend another $30 on it. On top of that, there was so much at that buffet that I didn't even touch, as you could see in the video. So if you like seafood, I definitely recommend this. Again, it's here on Thursdays from 4 to 9 p.m. Hopefully they'll change that in the summer, maybe do it 2 nights a week. Although I'm pretty sure this is a loss leader for the hotel. I'm sure they're losing money with every ticket they sell.
but they're bringing people into the Hard Rock, and that's what it's all about, I'm sure, as far as the bottom line is concerned here. So hope you enjoyed the Harvest Buffet seafood dinner, all you can eat, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.